my next favorite product of this month, it's this Nitetronic Z1 Smart Anti-Snore Pillow. So this is actually a high technology algorithm and a pillow. So this pillow is gonna recognize if you are snoring during the night. It also will analyze your sleep quality and it will make it all into a smart application report. So this one is totally customizable and controllable through the smart application, which is so very easy to install and to operate. It is collecting all of your sleeping data into the application by giving you a full report of every night of your sleeping, the quality of your sleeping, your snoring habits. So once you are gonna lay your head on this pillow and it will sense that you are snoring, and yes, this pillow is just full of sensors that knows to recognize when you are snoring. It will simply move your head by turning on the algorithm. So it's actually gonna go a little bit upper, go a little bit higher, and it will move your head position to make you stop snoring. So this is a great innovative product. I've never seen anything like that before, and I don't think that any analogs are available out there on the market. So definitely guys, if you are having any type of snoring problem, be so very sure to check it all out. All the links are going to be down below at the description box of mine. So this is actually how the pillow looks like. It is connected by a cord to the electricity. Here you have the on and off button. You can simply turn it on or off. Here is the Wi-Fi indicator because it's connected to the application through Wi-Fi. And this device, you just simply putting it onto the nightstand or whatever you want, and it have this cord right here that goes to the pillow itself. So now guys, let me tell you more details about this anti-snoring pillow by Nitetronic. So guys, here it comes, Nitetronic Z1 Smart Anti-Snore Pillow. So Nitetronic brand, it's the first and only smart anti-snore pillow on the market that has been clinically proven to reduce or to eliminate snoring by an average of 67%. And the effect is very significant to mild to moderate snorers. It will detect snoring sounds automatically with the smart algorithm and smart chip that is installed in, and it will head position on the pillow while you sleep effectively. You will experience more restful sleep in a new dimension. This is an innovative, high-tech, high-end product. This one, first of all, made of the highest quality types of materials, of course. The upper layer is the cotton pillowcase. Then you have the memory foam layer. Then you have the air chamber layer. Then you have the CECS head position sensor. This is the smart and clever sensor that will send signals to the smart application. Then you have a memory foam again and a cotton pillowcase at both of the sides. So this pillow was clinically proved after clinic studies in ENT Clinic Mannheim at the Heidelberg University in Germany, as well as after many experiments. The Nitetronic Anti-Snore Smart Pillow was proved to reduce or to eliminate snoring. The sensor that it works on, called the MEMS sensor, like MEMS, the snore breathing sound is gonna be detected by the MEMS sensor that installed in the pillow, and the pillow will monitor your snoring sound, and then it will turn your head to the side on the pillow to reduce snoring, all automatically. It is have a fully remote monitoring and control through the smart application. The application was developed for the Nitetronic Smart Anti-Snore Pillow just to record the sleep time, the sleep quality, and the snoring time and intensity. Once the pillow is connected to the application on your phone, you can monitor your snoring data by the phone when the pillow is far away from you through the IoT cloud service. So it doesn't have to be right here with you at the same room. It doesn't matter how far you are from the pillow, you can still get a full access to your historical data and to your snoring, sleep quality, and sleep time data.
The application can record sleep time, sleep quality, and snoring time and intensity. The application will know the sleeping position to make you stop snoring in the fastest way according to the data calculation, which will help to formulate the most scientific and healthy sleeping method that was especially developed for you. Also, it will determine the effectiveness of the anti-snore pillow for you. So guys, welcome of course to check out this pillow and to download the application. This is definitely a revolutionary product and it works just amazing. And now they are having a great promotion on their website. Buy one smart anti-snore pillow and get $100 off and a free pillowcase, which is worth $75. This is the promotion they're going in right now. And if there are going to be any other new updating promotion, any new sales discounts, coupon codes, everything will be updated at the description box down below to this video of mine. So guys, be so very sure to check this Nitetronic Z1 Smart Anti-Snore Pillow.
So guys, I really think that this is a great innovative high technology that will help anyone to stop snoring, that will definitely resolve the problem of snoring, plus it is analyzing your sleep. I truly think that it is a great and genius device. I have a great experience with this one. The pillow itself is extremely comfortable to sleep on. It's just so very soft, and I love the cotton pillowcase that it comes with. You can control the softness of the pillow by taking out some layers or by bringing them back into the pillow. So whatever works for you, you can make it higher, softer, or whatever you prefer. I definitely highly recommend you guys this one if you want to stop snoring or if you just want to analyze your sleeping quality. This one definitely also can work really well. So be so very sure to check Nitetronic Z1 Anti-Snoring Smart Pillow. All of the links, all the coupon codes, all of the promotions, sales, everything can be found down below at the description box of mine. Also, this one definitely can play a great role of a Christmas gift or any other type of an occasion gift. So if you know someone that is snoring and that you would like to help him to improve his life and his family life, his spouse's life, because it's definitely affecting others, you know, you don't feel it, but it is affecting others, whoever is sleeping at the same room with you. Definitely consider this one as a gift idea. So that was actually all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video of mine. I really hope it was helpful. Please let me know down below in the comments which one of the products is the most favorite one, which one you would buy or get or gift and why. Share your opinion with us. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.